Hello everybody. So we're just going to do a live video with the tour of the house, just in case you haven't seen one recently. If you have, then fair enough, that's fine. Go find something else to do, chill, put your feet up, or maybe you want to watch me again, that's okay. So here I am in the garden at the moment, relaxing, chilling. Sun's out, it's warm, but I'll show you around. Let's have a look. We'll start with the cabin. It's got the little cabin here, got all the lights on at the moment. Inside we go. Hi Lorraine, Lorraine's watching. Hi, hope you're okay. Hope Tilly's doing fine. Have a look around here, got the fire pit in the middle. Lots of blankets and cushions, pots and pans, kettles and bits and bobs. Let's go outside. The dining furniture there, so if you'd like to eat outside then you can. It's a nice evening like it is now. We've got the sofas as well, so you can spread out. Oh, Lorraine says Tilly got groomed today. Oh, I hope she enjoyed it. I don't think Maisie would like that. That's not her idea of fun. Sun loungers. Take a wander over here. We'll go inside and then we'll go out through the conservatory. So we'll go in here into the utility room. It's lovely here, Lorraine. The sun's out, it's warm. Oh, I could get used to this. So you got the dryer, got the washer, you got your beach towels. Now it's summer. We've got the little doggy welcome area, so you've got your basket of toys. And we've got all your treats and biscuits. I can hear pitter-patter of feet. Hang on a second. Oh, look who it is. Hello, Maisie. Are you helping? You're going to help the video tour? Show us around. She's like, yeah, just give me one of those biscuits in that box, please. So up here, we've got lots of doggo things, bowls and leads, and got a cooler mat now. You've got all your ID tags and a torch in case it's dark when you go out. Lots of nice things in here. We've got your bird food, so you can fill up the bird feeders, your pods, so you can do your washing. Got the big fridge freezer. And you've got your big ice bucket on the top. Quick look at the downstairs toilet. Not really much to see in here. Little room. There we go. See? Oh, there's me. Hi! Okay, right, let's carry on. Let's go into the games room. One of our favourite rooms. So you've got the table tennis table. And then over here we've got the pool table. Got all the garden games, paddling pools. We've just bought a doggo paddling pool. That's new. That's here. If anyone's looking for it, that's new. So it doesn't have to be inflated. Great for little paws. Children's furniture. Changing mat. Swing ball. Got a speaker so you can play your music whilst you're playing your games. Dog crate. Nice seat in here so you can sit down and relax. Maisie's doing a great job of showing us around. Hi Maisie! Good girl. Okay then, let's go. So, into the kitchen. Here we go. The table's all set. Over here. We've got the Be the bin. Remember, watch your fingers. Coffee maker. Built-in fridge. Maisie, we don't go in the fridge. She was after some food then. Oven, hob, dishwasher, view outside. We've got the new air fryer that everyone seems to really like. You can see. Set all the table today. Got our little cocktail area, cocktail making set, drinks dispenser, blender, wine opener, everything that you need. Let's have a look at the conservatory. It's lovely and bright in here today. Percy the pelican looking well. Got a dog bed in here so the dogs can get a bit of sun too. A heater for when it gets cold, because it can get cold in winter. We've got the sound bar over there so you can plug your music in. Let's have a quick look outside. It's gone a bit breezy. It's still warm. Hope you can hear me. It's got the decked area. Nice for breakfast on there. And the sun's on it. And we've got the garden daybed area to relax. Maisie's still following me. You're right there, Maisie. What are you doing? You helping? Okay. Okay, let's go back in. In we go. Oh, there's me again. Hi. Into the family room. Got the doll's house. Lots of toys. Got the train track that's underneath. Got our charging station. I can see Gary's golf watch plugged in, ready for his golf tomorrow. Lots of books, DVDs, games, music player that looks like an owl. Lots of games in there. That's full. And there's Maisie again. Hello, Maisie. Yes, okay. Thanks to be involved. Got the log burner. Another dog bed there. Got the TV. We've got Sky TV, Disney Plus and Netflix account. Got the Wii console. And then all your Wii accessories are down here. So you've got all your bits and bobs that you'll need. Okay. Let's go into the snug. Got the entrance hall here. Everything that you need. You got the welcome book. You've got the guest book if you want to write something. You've got all the essentials, your instructions, first aid kits, torches, things like that. Obviously the Wi-Fi there so you can connect. Let's go over here into the snug. We've got lots of books down there for the little ones. Lots of toys. There's a troll. There's Belle. We've got the TV in here. And then down here in this cupboard, we've got the Xboxes, an old PlayStation and a DVD player. Lots of toys. Got the arcade machine, if you fancy challenging yourself. And lots of games up there for the Xboxes. And then down here, we have lots more games for the younger ones and puzzles to keep them entertained and drawers of things. Okay, let's head upstairs. Okay, up we go. On I go. There we go. Right then, we shall start in this direction. So we've got the main bedroom, the captain's quarters. This is the one with the king-size bed. You've got a cot in here as well. Dressing table. Smart TV. DVD player. That's a walk-in wardrobe there. That's full of our stuff you really don't want to see in there. We've crammed it in there. Okay. This has a view to the front of the house. Okay. It's got an ensuite as well. That's just in here. So you've got your shower. Nice little room. Okay then. Next bedroom. Got a nice seat out here. This is great when someone's late getting ready. You can sit there and relax. Okay, into the duck egg room. This is a double bed. Looking to the front of the house. You've got a wardrobe, smart TV in here with DVD player. And you've got your dressing table. Okay, and we have the hideaway. This is hidden away at the back of the house. The view from here looks out over the conservatory. Oh, the children are playing football. Dressing table. This is a double bed. I love this room. It's so cosy and so peaceful. Big wardrobe. Okay, next door we have the family bathroom. Nice big bath. And you've got your shower. It's a rainfall shower too. Okay. Got a nice little reading corner here. If you want a bit of peace, you want to escape. Switch the light on, it's a bit dark in here. There we go. So this is our twin room, the seaside room. This overlooks the garden. I'll just show you outside now. See? And here's Ducky, our night light for the little ones. We do have a family safety gate in case you've got little ones that need staying close to you at night. You can pull that across, then that separates these two rooms. So we've got another king size room here, the lookout. King size bed. You get dressing gowns in the bigger rooms. We have a wardrobe, dressing table, chair, smart TV in here with Netflix, gas fire in case you get a little bit cold. And then this room overlooks the 18th hole of the golf course. And over there you can see in the distance there's the sea. And over the other side is Scotland. It's a beautiful day today. It's been beautiful all week. We've been very, very lucky. We're going home on Saturday though. Oh, that sounds like the ice cream man. Oh, I don't know where he is. Oh, can't see him. He's around somewhere. I can hear Maisie barking. She's excited. She thinks she's having ice cream. She isn't. Yes, she's barking. So that's the house. There you go. Full tour. If you have any questions, feel free to just send them my way. We love questions. Quick look at these. There we go. So that's the full tour. Hope you've enjoyed it. We have had an exciting day today. I will, let me just turn this around. Hi, hope you're all okay. Turn it back again now so you can see outside. Better to look at that than look at me. We've had an exciting day today. We've had Bobby Forbes round to do us some drone footage of the house, outside and in, so that's exciting. Can't wait to see what he comes up with, and we can share it with you all. Please pop over to his page and have a look. He's also got YouTube. Take a look at all his videos. I'll put a link in the comments, and then you can go over and take a look at what he's filmed in Silloth, in case you're interested in see things like the amusement arcade and the seafront. And then hopefully you'll be able to see our video soon. Hope you're all having a great day. Have a lovely evening, and I'm here if you need me. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye. I'll just turn this around to say bye. Bye, everybody.